JetBlue 369, Kennedy Tower, runway 4 left on up and wait.
Runway 4 left, JetBlue 369.
American 292, taxiway Foxtrot, crossway 4 left, taxi right, Bravo to the ramp, Monte ground, point 98.
Alright, 4 left, right, Bravo to the ramp, Monte ground, American 292, we'll see you. JetBlue 308, when able, start your right turn, contacting your departure.
Right turn now, departure JetBlue 308, we'll see you.
JetBlue 369, wind 060 at 10, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff 4 left, JetBlue 369.
Turkish 4 heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 4 left on up and wait.
American runway 4 left,
201 Super, turn left at the end, left on Yankee, remain this frequency.
Left at the end, left on Yankee, and we'll stay with you, Emirates 201 Super.
Right turn, 3739 ILS 4 right.
737-39 Kennedy Tower, Fox, Flight 71 Super A380 is the previous arrival, currently in the localizer antenna. You may pick up a fluctuation there. The wind 06010, runway 4 right, clear to land.